This section discusses Canon 3, one of the integrity canons. Canon 3. Be aware of applicable statutes, regulations, practices, and ethical standards governing data collection and reporting. Good ethics require that educators make themselves aware of existing and emerging statutes, regulations, practices, and ethical standards regarding data collection and data reporting. Anything short of staying up to date is neither a reasonable data practice nor an acceptable management option. Organizations should make sure that staff and volunteers are familiar, to the extent their roles require, with any laws and policies governing the collection and reporting of data. Staff should be aware of any circumstances under which exceptions can be made. Laws can change over time. Education organizations and the people who work with them should know their responsibilities regarding the protection of student data under the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, FERPA, the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA, and the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA. See the additional materials section of this course for more information on FERPA. Everyone who collects, handles, or reports data on individuals has legal and ethical responsibilities for this information. Organizations should provide training on these responsibilities to teachers, data clerks, and volunteers, among others. Everyone should know the district's policy on releasing student directory information and how to respond to requests for confidential information. Organizations should determine what state laws and state or local policies are applicable to staff data and information about parents or other community members. Which staff data are confidential and which are public record? If data confidentiality is requested or required, can its guarantee be honored? Recommended practices and training. Encourage leadership within the organizational hierarchy, for example, federal, state, and local education agencies, including board members, to know and effectively communicate current statutes, regulations, guidelines, accepted practices, and appropriate behavior regarding data access and disclosure to all employees. Give educators access in some reasonable format to professional publications, instructional guides, trade journals, and other development materials necessary to stay abreast of relevant statutes, regulations, guidelines, accepted practices, and ethical standards. Engage in professional development and staff training on relevant statutes, regulations, guidelines, accepted practices, and ethical standards concerning privacy and confidentiality. This training should be customized to meet the needs of different job responsibilities within the organization. Schedule periodic reviews to evaluate the effectiveness of communications and training efforts, as well as staff compliance with applicable statutes, regulations, guidelines, accepted practices, and ethical standards. Train all data users in a routine and ongoing manner about data management, use, privacy, and exchange to ensure that they are aware of changing expectations and standards. Customize training efforts by job type, as appropriate for communicating concepts and translating instruction into practice. Please be sure to read the Canon 3 Recommended Practices and Training document for more detailed explanations of these recommendations. Additional information regarding data statutes, regulations, and practices pertaining to education agencies can be found in various publications of the National Forum on Education Statistics. A list of those publications can be found by clicking on the Forum Publications link in the Additional Materials section of this course.